company background. Our company name is Royal Bakery. Royal Bakery was established in January 2019, which is under a group of 7 friends at Agosta, Kedah. The slogan is nice and delicious. It represents that Royal Bakery possesses an exceptional service to provide convenience to all the customers and produce output with the best ingredients. Our company consists of 5 to 10 workers who were kind and ready to serve. Royal Bakery Company is producing a lot of type of bread, cake, desserts, and coffee. Besides, Royal Bakery has also provided delivery service for all the customers. Dessert packaging and pricing cards are given to specified customer requirements. So now you can see, this is our company logo. Inside the logo, it has our company name, which is Royal Bakery. Besides that, it also has our slogan that is nice and delicious. We are using a crown to do a background. This is because the crown can represent our company, that's Royal Bakery. Royal Bakery. Royal Bakery is a well-known bakery in Malaysia. It has experienced considerable growth from the local market transit to the international market. We have started operating in January 2019, and we have also conducted a promotional activity to attract customers. Royal Bakery is successfully made dessert lower interest in our bakery through this promotion. Our main goal is to provide a good service to our consumer. The company professionally caters to the customer, provide high quality goods and service at competitive price, at the same time gaining and maintaining their respect and loyalty, in order to obtain sufficient profit for its future growth. Equally important, we are holding a responsibility to our employees. Royal Bakery is constantly looking for the possible employees and offer them chance to expand their potentials. Meanwhile, we are committed to maintaining a safe workplace for all the employees. What is management? Management can be defined as the process of coordinating and managing organizational affairs, regardless of their types, nature, structure, and skill. A manager has the right to decide how to achieve this goal and what should be achieved. In management activity, available resources can be used to formulate organizational strategies and allocate the tasks to the employees. This is also an art that can create an environment for all members by working together and achieving organizational goals. It is very important because a successful organization requires good management to become a backbone. Besides that, management can also be interpreted as the pursuit of organizational goals efficiently and effectively by integrating people's work through planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Additionally, human action including design are also part of management. There are 5 different types of resources for management, such as human resource, technological resource, financial resource, and natural resource. In other words, optimize management by using 5 axes of 5M, namely man, machine, material, money, and methods. Organizational goals can be defined, achieved under the coordination, direction, and unification of process and activity.
I would like to introduce the 5M for our company, which is man, machine, material, money, and method. The first one is man. Man represents the first of the 5M, which is the most important. Men are the manpower in an organization, referring to the managerial and non-managerial personnel. Every employee must have their own right position to ensure that the organization can operate efficiently and effectively. Related to our Royal Bakery, we have about 10 employees, including the managers. Our employees are separated into several departments. There are bar section, service section, and back section. The waiters has been trained to be a professional staff before joining our bakery, and the experience from abroad are highest. The second one is machine. Machine can be defined as the equipment used to process finished or semi-finished products. Modern machines have been contributed to our Royal Bakery to reduce costs and improve the quantity and quality of output. For our output, we are going to produce bread, cake, tart, and other varieties of desserts. Additionally, machines have an imperative role in the preparation of coffee. For example, the crushing process will release the flavor that impact the coffee taste. The third one is material. Material is the most important element required by our company to produce outputs. The raw materials such as flour, sugar, yeast, and milk are indispensable ingredients in the baking process. We will ensure that our suppliers provide high-quality material to avoid chemical composition and expired materials. Those materials are the vital role for the company in providing the releases of food and beverage. The fourth one is money. For the development of a business, money can resolve everything about financial. A business should have enough budget to start the first commercial company. The company needs to manage the money for the budgeting of products, the utility of the bakery company, current changes, equipment, and so on. Our company control the budget to ensure the profit and loss of the business. The last one is method. The method will be taken by the company to satisfy the customer requirement. Our Royal Bakery staff serve consumers with a good attitude and offer a comfortable environment for all the consumers. Our company will organize the promotion from time to time. As an example, free gift of discount will be given when the customer has spent up to 100 ringgit. Besides, buy one free one activity will be held on special day or festivals. This method will ensure the operation of the company running smoothly and profitably.
Next is about our organization. What is organization? Organization consists of different individuals with different backgrounds. They must work together to achieve the specific purpose of the organization. Organizational management is a concept that wide enough to cover the entire organization, which the employees in question need strictly follow the instructions issued by the organization. Every company or workplace should have standards or laws for managing its employees. Additionally, the company's assets include financial resources, employees, equipment, business relationships, knowledge, processes, and skills. The administrators can guide the company in achieving the goals by managing all available resources effectively and efficiently. Most scholars believe that organizational management involves four main stages, that is, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Next is the organizational chart of Loyal Bakery. Loyal Bakery has structured out our organizational chart to provide the possibly highest quality of baked goods to customers and continuously inspire a culture of trust among employees. Therefore, our company is based on project-based structure. First of all, our store manager is responsible for the total quality and quantity of outputs and inputs, as well as providing a precise amount of profit and loss. Additionally, managers of the company are taken charge to seek the potential employees to work in Loyal Bakery. Besides, all the staff are responsible for providing the possibly highest quality services and goods to satisfy the consumer demand.
First of all, our Loyal Bakery mission is to provide delicious and awesome bakery foods without sacrificing health. Besides that, we also bring better food choice to consumers by offering high-quality bakery products with affordable price to meet the demand. Next is vision statement. A good vision statement provides direction for the planning and a roadmap to move forward in order to accomplish the organizational goals. Therefore, our vision is to become the most preferred bakery house by the customer in Malaysia. Next is objective. At Loyal Bakery, we have four objectives. The first objective is Loyal Bakery will provide the best service by producing quality cakes according to the customer requirement. The second objective is provide a wide varieties of coffees, teas, and espresso drinks of high quality to attract more consumers from different backgrounds. The third objective is we will provide a good environment in our shop for our customers to let them enjoy their time and our delicious foods in our bakery. The last objective is we will offer a different type of cakes in terms of taste and shape to selling the necessity of making cakes at low and affordable price to suit the needs of customers. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you and good day to everyone. My name is Wei Pheng and I will talk about management process. It's also known as management function. The definition of management function is what we need to do to get things done as a manager in the organization to achieve the stated goals of our organization. There are four management functions which are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. I will talk about the planning part and my group mate will talk about organizing, leading, and controlling part later. So now, what is planning? Planning is a process to set a goal and deciding the ways or strategies to achieve the goal. It's a very crucial and a vital process. Why we say so? This is because it makes sure that an organization can run smoothly and achieve the goals. It also helps organizations to distribute their resource effectively and prevent wastage. It also grabs the real assessment and determine the direction of the organization. There are 5 steps of strategy management process. So the first step is establish organization's mission, vision, and objective. Second step, assess the current reality. Third step, formulate corporate, business, and functional strategies. Fourth step, execute strategy by starting business. And the last step is maintain strategic control. So now I will discuss each step in detail and how we implement it in our business, Royal Bakery. For the first step, establish organization's mission, vision, and objective. We have made a strategy plan for long term. Through the strategy plan, the employees can know general info such as our policy. Besides, we also list out our mission, vision, and objective to run our organization smoothly. So I will not repeat our mission, vision, and objective because my group mate have already mentioned it just now. So believe that with the appearance of mission, vision, and objective, it will become a guideline for our middle management and first line management to form their strategy and tactics to run their management and achieve the organization goal. Step 2, assess the current reality. We are using SWOT analysis to assess the current reality. What is SWOT analysis? It is a situational analysis in which a company assesses its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It divides into two parts: inside matter, which are internal strength and weakness, and outside matter, which are external opportunity and threats. So this is the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats of our organization, Royal Bakery. For the strength part, we have a strong financial background and we have a few of experienced workers. But we also have a weakness, which is lack of supply of raw materials. To overcome our weakness, we are finding some alternative way to get fresh and good quality raw materials at an affordable price. So we also have a good opportunity due to change in government policies and the appearance of new technology. But we also have threats such as change in customers' preference and trends, and we also have a few of competitors in the market. So how we overcome our threats? We are creating some variety of bread, coffee, cakes, and others to fascinate our customer and keep their stomach. Besides, we also organize an event and invite some celebrities such as Jay Chou, Sheila Hamzah to help us to promote our product. We also publicize our company advertisement through social media such as Facebook, Instagram to improve the reputation of the company. Additionally, Royal Bakery also have some seasonal promotion. For example, special offer, discount, or limited edition cake during Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Valentine's Day. Our organization also engage in corporate social responsibility to promote our organization. As an example, we will sponsor 2 top-class students to continue their studies for their future. So for the third step, formulate corporate, business, and functional strategies. We will list out all the alternatives and evaluate it before taking action on the alternative. All the alternatives are formed by using SWOT analysis. So continue. Step 4. Execute strategy by starting the business. We will start our business and observe it and have a look how it's going to work. The last step, maintain strategy control. How are you going to maintain strategy control? We will get the feedback from our customer and evaluate it before altering our plan. We will try to satisfy customer demand and trying to improve our organization. Believe that we will reach a new achievement in the future. So I will pass my presentation to my next groupmate. Thank you.
The second management function is organizing. Organizing defined as arranging tasks, people, and other resources to achieve organizational goals consistently and effectively. A functional organizational structure is used by Royal Bakery Company. In a functional structure, employees with similar work skills will put together into smaller groups or departments. For example, the departments in Royal Bakery include human resources, finance, marketing, and production. The advantage of functional structure is the employees in each department will specialize in a skill and focus on one area of work. The functional organization also help our company reduce waste costs on duplication of works. Besides, Royal Bakery Company integrate organizational culture. Employees will feel more comfortable, supported, and valuable when our company's culture fits with them. The employees will learn company's culture through symbol, story, hero, rights, and rituals and organizational socialization. Our company's manager always strives to improve the organizational culture to ensure the team achieves success. The manager will communicate well with the employees and listen to their suggestions. This will help employees have more positive work attitudes when working in Royal Bakery Company. In addition, managing an organization's most important resource is human resource management. Royal Bakery Company is serious about the recruiting and screening process. Our company will do recruitment process when there is a position empty. The reason is that slow recruitment can limit company's growth. Royal Bakery Company will only hire the job applicants that have a certain cultural match with our company. Human resources management will provide training to new employees The training is very helpful for the newcomers to fit effortlessly into the job and company. They will learn what is required in their position and job through the training. Besides, leading is also one of the management functions. Leading involves the social and informal source of influence that people work hard to achieve the organization's goals. Manager is the leader of our company. The manager has a thorough knowledge of motivational factors for others to make sure employees can be energized. A department often have different needs and wants, so an essential part of leadership is resolving conflicts. The manager of each department will make decisions based on the personal ability of each team member. This will ensure that every member in Royal Bakery completes their job well. Furthermore, our company gives a very high consideration towards the employee motivation. Our company creates a good reward system to encourage a positive work environment to improve employee morale. The reward system helps motivate the employees to work harder in reaching their goals. The rewards such as bonus, voucher, and certificate will give to the employees based on their performance in work. Also, our company encourages friend competition among the employees. Friendly competition can motivate the employees, make them put in more effort and achieve goals.
So here, I'm going to present on the last management function, which is controlling. What is controlling? So controlling is a process involving monitoring performance, comparing it against goals, and take corrective action as needed when necessary in order to achieve the organization's goals. Controlling is very important as it can be used as a guideline for managers to make a more effective planning and controlling in the future. Besides, irregularities and errors such as cost overrun and customer dissatisfaction, which can bring downfall to the organization in the long run, also can be discovered through good controlling process. So there are 4 steps that are taken by the Royal Bakery in controlling process, which is first, establish standards, second, measuring performance, third, comparing performance to standards, and lastly, take corrective action. First, establish standards. Established standards refer to the desired performance level that want to be achieved by the organization. In this case, the standard that was set by the Royal Bakery must be clear, specific, measurable, and can be achieved with the organization's goals so that the employees know what they need to do and can determine whether their activities are on target or not. For example, Royal Bakery planned to provide wide varieties and high quality of baked goods, coffees, teas, and espresso that will satisfy the customers. The next controlling process is measuring performance. Royal Bakery's manager will monitor and measure the current performance to make sure that all the activity of Royal Bakery to go on as the standard that has been set. The performance can be measured from oral reports, written reports, and personal observance. Royal Bakery's manager will measure the performance such as the number of products sold and the bakery sales in a day. This process helps managers to evaluate whether the organization is meeting its standards or not. The third process is comparing performance to standards. Royal Bakery's managers will compare the current performance with the standards that has been set. This step is to measure the effectiveness of the controlling process that was being carried out. If, let's say, the performance deviates from the standard, then the managers must interpret the deviation and they need to dig beneath the surface to find the actual cause of the problem. This step can be used to detect any irregularities and error that has happened so that an action can be taken immediately. And the last step from the controlling process is take corrective action. This process is only be taken by the Royal Bakery's managers if the performance is lower than the standards. The manager will find the actual cause of the problem and take action to correct the negative performance. The managers can adjust the standards to make sure that the same mistakes will not be happening again in the future. So as an example, if the managers determine that a certain baked goods make the customer satisfaction to drop, then the manager need to take action such as change the recipe. However, if the standards can be achieved, Royal Bakery did not have to take any action and just continues the bakery's activities as usual.
In conclusion, this report has given a proper understanding of the detail of Royal Bakery's management and organization. Through this report, we have learned about the company's background and how Royal Bakery was established. This report relating to the definition of management, the definition in Royal Bakery management with 5 M's, namely man, machine, material, money, and methods. In addition, the definition of organization and the type of organization used by Royal Bakery, as well as the mission, vision, and objective of the company. Besides, in this report, SWOT analyst has been lightened to determine the strength and weakness inside the organization and opportunity and fix in the environment by using corporate level strategy, business level strategy, and functional level strategy. Last but not least, is about the management function of Royal Bakery. The management process include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, which is POLC in all the company. Thank you and goodbye.